and welcome to the Unity platforming prototype project. Oh yeah. What we're going to do is we're going to prototype a platforming game. Very simple one using Unity's rudimentary shapes and stuff like that. If you've seen the new news update, I showed off a platforming game that I built in Unity in a couple of days. That's pretty much what we're going to build here, for the exception where the level is going to be slightly different. So let's get started. First off, let's create an empty game object. We're going to name this, our friend here, level, so we can easily move the level anywhere we want to. This will be at origin. Okay. So now let's begin. First off, what we want to create is a platform. So we're going to make a cube, and I size this to 4 by 4. There we go. Nice little platform at 0, 0. And we're going to move. Let's keep it right there for a minute. Okay. So for now, we're going to create a couple folders. One is going to be material. For our materials, excuse me. This one's going to be for our prefabs, which is reusable game objects. And goodness gracious, script, which is where we're going to keep our scripts. Okay. For right now, we're going to make a simple material. And we're going to name this platform. Okay, let's see here. What color do we want? I say we go with kind of a bluish green color. Yeah, looks cool. There you go. Nice little platform. Okay. The next thing we're gonna name this to platform, and we're gonna go out of this, throw this into our prefabs. There we go. Okay, next on the agenda, we're going to make the player. Now, for right now, we're going to keep the player outside the level because it's a dynamic object, and we're going to create an empty game object, and we're going to set him to 0, 0, the origin. We're going to rename him player. Let's see here. We need to add. Let's add a cube. I'm going to name player mesh. And let's bump our friend up here using control up. There we go. Let's scale him a bit. There we go. Let's go to material. Create a new material. We're going to name you player. And I think the player will be a nice kind of, yeah, let's go red for the player. There we go. Oop. Alright. That's cool. So right now we're going to add a player to prefabs. Alrighty. Okay. For right now, let's add in our platform. Let's add in 4 platforms to do some testing. The first one is going to be, say, 4. No, not 4, 8, 12. There we go. Nice little platform. And we're also going to build a wall, which is going to be part of the level. Create a 3 cube. This is going to be positioned -1, or actually 5, no, 3, 2. Alright. There we go. And we're gonna scale it by 4. And the Y, we're gonna scale it by 50. There we go. Similar to how the news update was. And I'm gonna throw name wall. This is gonna be another prefab. Alright, cool. So, for the rest of this, we're going to do some scripting. We're going to try to figure out what to do with the camera. Should we A, add it to the player, or B, make it target the player? Let's put it with the player. There we go. And -10 looks good to me. Okay. Do this. This is what happens when you prototype. We're going to move you back out of the scene. Actually, we're going to keep you in there. We're going to add in a new cube. I'll put you. There we go. And we're going to reapply the material. There we go. Cool. Okay, now. Like that's its prefabs. We're going to re-add you here. There we go. Okay, so we're going to edit the prefab to it. And we're going to make a script. We're going to make a new create C# script. This will be player behavior. Let's just do player. Keep it simple. Okay. What else should we work on? Because that's not good. Let's go back to prefabs, player. This will be 1. Maybe it's +1. There we go. That was really weird. Strange. We're going to redo the player real fast because it's being very derpy. So let's create a camera. 0, 0, 0. We're going to create empty. No, you're not going to be in there. Get out of there. Yep, prototyping. Player. This will be the main camera. Main camera. This will have a cube. 2. There we go. Okay then. Yay. Put it up there for now. Go to material. Sorry, this is kind of boring. It's been a couple days since I've played with Unity, so I'm not sure what I'm doing. It's been 12 minutes. We're doing fine. Okay. So, now, we're going to go back to scripting. We're going to start Visual Studios, and we're going to do some editing on this. Okay. For right now, we're going to get rid of you. Actually, let's keep you. But I want to get rid of you. Okay. So you have this started up, and I think the first thing that we want to do is go back to prefabs, because we're editing the player prefab. We're going to add component, add a script player. Next thing we're going to add is physics object. We're going to add in let's do a rigid body for now. We're going to add in some constraints to keep it I don't want to go in Z, and nor do I want it to rotate. Okay. So, there we go. Let's see if this falls. Alright. There we go. Cool. We're going to add a new platform. This one's going to be at 16. Actually, 20. Yeah, let's put it at 20. Or actually 24 for now. I'm getting tired. This will test jump. Okay, so next thing we're going to do is edit the controls. Where project settings input accesses. Reduce all these to 0. We're adding 2. Name this one movement. Have negative, left, right. And if this doesn't work, this will be jump. This will be Z. Okay. All right. I think it's fixed. Update. Okay, so now what we want to do, we're going to grab the rigid body from this. Body equals this not get component rigid body if it input dot get button down. I think that's what it is. Movement. Actually, this one we're going to do access. Use the body for something else. Okay, so x equals input dot get access. This will be movement. And we're going to times it by time dot fix delta. So is that transform dot there we go. Okay. Let's see why. Oh yeah, one more folder. Scene. Call this test. And let's go to properties. Not you. It's project input. Oh, I capitalized it, that's why. Yeah, I probably shouldn't be doing any coding while I'm sleeping. Oh, I'm about to pass out. I'm gonna finish this video. This will be probably a quick video after I get done with this. I mean, it hasn't been. Oh man, it's already been 20 minutes. Well, before I stop this video, it's been kind of boring and I had some trouble with it. There we go. Oh no, it's not working. I wonder why. And I probably know why. Let's see here. Let's go to project settings input, and there's a couple things I need to add in. Movement. Oh, there we go. Sensitivity. Kind of works. Well, this is it for today. Sorry that oh, there we go. However, it needs to be a little faster. So before we end this off today, we're going to make a field, which is going to be a float player speed, or just speed for this object. There we go. The defaults is going to be, I don't know, 4.0 f, and we're going to multiply it here by it. There we go. Let's go back to Unity, test it. Let's go to prefab. Let's just do it the old-fashioned way. Let's just make this public. Public. There we go. And we're going to change this to 8. Ooh, nice. And falls. Oh. Okay. Well, we got a basic player movement going. I have jump planned. We're going to continue this later date. And until then, I'll see you later. You guys take care.